Welcome to this quick guide on editing your homepage template in WordPress. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress interface and make quick edits to your homepage in about 5 minutes. The process is simple and straightforward, ensuring you get familiar with your website's dashboard and editing tools with ease. To begin, open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, click on the login option in the top right corner. Instead of entering a separate username and password, choose Continue with Google and select the Google account linked to your WordPress profile. This method is quick, secure, and efficient. After signing in, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. From here, locate the Pages section. This area displays all the pages on your site in an organized list. Scroll through the list and find the page labeled Homepage. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option to edit. Click it to open the homepage template in the WordPress editor. Once inside the editor, you'll have access to all the tools needed to update content, adjust layouts, and customize design elements. You can edit text, swap out images, rearrange sections, or even apply new styles to better reflect your site's purpose. To start editing, simply click on the homepage template itself to activate edit mode. This will open up the customization panel where you can make adjustments. As you work, remember to save your changes frequently to keep your progress secure. Since your homepage is the first impression visitors have of your website, take your time to make thoughtful edits. Use this opportunity to highlight your brand, improve navigation, and create a design that feels welcoming and professional. By following these steps, you'll quickly gain confidence in managing your homepage. WordPress makes the process beginner-friendly while still offering powerful customization options. With your homepage updated, your site will look polished, functional, and ready to impress visitors.